Welcome you to my channel. Without wasting much of our time, I'll be showing you how to create these VEO3 videos with your phone. You heard me right? Yes. And everything we'll be using is what? Completely free. So the first thing you have to do is to head on to your Chrome, open your Chrome browser. When you open your Chrome browser, search for this image FX like this image FX like this. So when you search for it, tap on it. As you can see, you will tap on this one that shows create image with Gemini. So you tap on it. So if you don't have account with them before, you can sign in using your Gmail account. So without wasting much of our time, if you want it to be your fix, you can tap on this plus button here. So you will tap on the plus button, upload file. So you choose any of your file you want to make use of it, but I don't want it to carry my fix. So if you just want to generate normally, let's do it together. Watch my, let me just type it fast. So as you can see, this is what I want you to create for me. Generate an image of a 3 years old guy. Okay, let me put it child in a GLE car with Galaxy X24 Ultra. So something of this nature. Once you are done with this, you just do what? Tap on this place, click here, just click here, click on this place. So you tap on it. You have to wait for a few seconds and it will be generated automatically. As you can see, it has been generated. So depending on the country you are watching from, for me, I base in Nigeria, so I don't want this American guy. I want to change it to be in Nigeria. So what do I have to say? I'm an African, so I will say generate, make the boy to be an African. So you just tap on it. As you can see, automatically it has changed him to an African boy. So how to download it? You just tap on it. When you tap on it, you will click on this place here and download it to your gallery. So as you can see, image downloading. So you just have to wait. As you can see, you tap here and download it. So file downloaded. So the next thing is how we are going to create our video. Without wasting much of our time, come to this site. I'll be dropping the direct link to this site. So check the description. I will drop the direct link. So what you guys to search is group. So see it here. So you tap on GROKAI. So just search for that. When you search for it, as you can see, create videos with VEO3. So you will tap on this particular one here. You scroll till you see this one. So you tap on it. You just have to wait for a while. When you open it, you will be asked to sign in with your Gmail account. So you can sign in using any of your Gmail accounts to sign in. Once you are done with that, you just do what? Hit on this place, tap on this place. So When you tap on it, you will click upload file. So you tap on upload file, come to your gallery. So you tap on this week. So this is the image. And the best part of this site is that there is nothing like watermark. Everything will be given to you. So the next thing you have to do is to type what you want him to say. Alright, as you can see, this is my prompt. This is the type of video I want it to generate using the guide. Create 3D cartoon video of this image saying, hello my people, if you haven't started learning how to use AI to create, my people, 2026 go hard for you small. So once you are done with that, just tap on this place. So just allow it to generate. Let's see. So as you can see, the video is done generating. Let's play it. So you just allow it to load. So it will load here. This place. So once it reach something like 100, as you can see, you see it now. So let's still check the other alternative. Let's check this alternative. They give us two. So let's check this. Please subscribe to this channel now if you haven't done this. So sometimes this site will give you what you don't want. So what you guys to do is just refine your prompt and give it back to him, and he will generate it. Hello my people, if you haven't started learning how to use code to create, my people 2020 go hard for you small. Hello my people, if you haven't started learning how to use code to create, my people 2020 go hard for you small. So this one is not giving us what we want. Let's just go with this. So how to download it is either you click on this place and download it, or you tap on the video and the video is playing and you click on this place. Okay, and you click on this place, so it will automatically download to your gallery. So if the video is playing like this, you can download it. Understand? So just tap on this place and it will be downloaded to your gallery, as you can see. So this is how to download it. So for some of you that don't know how you can edit your videos and do other things, I've made a tutorial on how to use CapCut to edit. So depending on how long you want the video to be, you can make it to be long to your own preference. Again, I'll be dropping more tutorials. Just drop the tutorial you want me to drop for you. See you on the next video.